Every year, the world loses an astounding quantity of food. It blows your mind, but a third of all food for human consumption in the world is lost or wasted. 1.3 billion tons of food suitable for human consumption and 1.6 billion tons of so-called primary product equivalents are lost or wasted. Huge amounts of food are also lost simply because we throw it away. 35% of the wasted food is simply thrown out by supermarkets, shops, and households. Much of it is still perfectly fit for eating. Food waste is a vast issue global, including in Malaysia. According to landfill operator SW Corp Malaysia, people in Malaysia generated 17,007 tons of food waste per day in 2021. Most, 76%, were inedible like bones and fruit skin, while the remaining 24% could still be consumed like leftover meat and vegetables. Food waste brings negative impacts, including increasing food production costs, impact on human health, and environmental degradation.
Come to Jalan education and with a great project to them about the food and how to keep the food well and no more wasting food. And I can see that students have learned a lot knowledge about that, and also they will take their responsibility to finish the project. Yeah, thank you so much for you guys bring the project here and bless our students in my education.
Project, I learned how to compost the food waste into the fertilizer of the plant. This project is so helpful to me. Thank you for this organizer.
Hello, my name is Jalan. I'm from upper secondary. I learned a lot from the food waste project. I help the students to convert the food waste into the compost.